Good morning, students. Myself is Yogesh Barad, and everyone I will wish you as a happy new year in a year 2021. We have to start our new part of our maths lesson, that is standard 7th. I will already started last time lesson number 12, that is a perimeter and area, and you already completed the practice set number 44 and 45. And today we'll see our next part of this lesson is next is a right angle triangle area, how to find out. See here the page number 83, they are given area of a right angle triangle, how you can find. See here I am showing one picture. See in your textbook they are given one rectangle. In the rectangle area, how to find, you know it, that is a length into breadth, you have to do it. But here see in the rectangle you can see two right angle triangles are there, yes or no? And here if you add these two right angle triangle, we'll get a area of a rectangle. Or you can do this way also. First you find out the area of a rectangle as a length into breadth. Here in this picture they are given P and Q as a breadth and the length. Then here length into breadth you do it, divide by 2 if you do, that will gives the area of a right angle triangle. Or here one formula is also there to find out the area of a right angle triangle. How to find out? Here see one formula is there, 1 upon 2 product of side forming right angle triangle you can do. Means here area of a right angle triangle, here see product of this sides forming right angle triangle, here means P into Q you do it, divide by 2 you do, will get a area of a right angle triangle. Then this way you can find the area of a right angle triangle. Or for any triangle area, how to find out? For that one, here they are given one formula, that is 1 upon 2 base into height. This formula I have to use it. Okay, and this is about the two formulas here they are given. And here they are given some solved example also in your textbook, that also you have to see. First question is based on our right angle triangle. They are given the product of the sides, whatever they are right angles are there, they are given their sides, and we have to use the area of a right angle triangle formula, 1 upon 2 product of sides forming right angle. Okay, here 1 upon 2 multiply by 3.5 multiply by 4.2. Here see 4.2 is a divisible by 2. Then if you divide this, we'll get a 2.1. Means afterwards you multiply 3.5 into 2.1, we'll get a 7.35. This will be the area of a right angle triangle, and you put the unit as a square centimeter. Okay, here one more question they are given. In this one, in a normal triangle they are given their base and a height they are given. Then how to find out their area? Then area of a triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, you use it, and 1 upon 2 5.6 multiply by 4.5. Here see this 5.6 is a divisible by 2. Therefore if you divide, we'll get a 2.8. Means 2.8 into 4.5, if you do it calculation, we'll get a 12.6 square centimeter. This is the area of a triangle is there. Then here they are given, this is as a solved example. Now I will start our practice set number 46. See, one by one question we'll take it. Here see in the practice set number 46 they are given first question. A page of a calendar is a 45 centimeter long and a 26 centimeter wide. What is its area? See here, page of a calendar. If you see our calendar, that page of calendar will be looking a rectangle. In the rectangle, they are given as a length as a 45 centimeter and a 26 centimeter as a breadth. Then directly you can use area of a rectangle formula. Then how you can solve this question? See, this way you have to solve. Write a area of a rectangle formula, length into breadth, that is 45 multiplied by 26. If you do this multiplication properly, we'll get an answer as a 1170, and you put the unit square centimeter. Then this is about the first question, and you can finally write the answer. Area of the page of a calendar is 1170 square centimeter. Okay, and second question they ask here. See in the second question, the question is what is the area of a triangle with a base as a 4.8 centimeter and a height is a 3.6 centimeter. See here you want to find out the area of a triangle, and here they are given a base as a 4.8 centimeter and a height they are given as a 3.6 centimeter. Then how to solve this one? First you write down the given things, then next you write down the formula. See here formula is a very important. Then afterwards you have to put out all these values and do this calculation. See here, area of a triangle formula is a 1 upon 2 base into height. 1 upon 2 base they are given 4.8, height they are given here 3.6, and here you divide this 4.8 by 2, will get a 2.4, and 2.4 multiplied by 3.6 will do it, and after doing this calculation here we'll get the answer 8.64 square centimeter. Mean this way easy calculation will be there, and here see your table must be perfect, then only you will understand how to divide these things. Okay, then here see this is about the second question is there. Now we'll come to our third question. In the third questions here they are given what is the value of a rectangular plot. See here one rectangular plot is there, and here their length they are given 75.5 meter, and their breadth they are given 30.5 meter at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter. See here you want to find out the total cost of that rectangular plot of the land. Then when you want to find out their total cost of a rectangular plot of a land, first you want to find out their area. Okay, then how to find out? See, first you write down their length 75.5 meter, breadth of that plot they are given 35.5 meter, and here first you want to find out the area of that rectangular plot. How to find out? Use the formula length into breadth. 75.5 multiplied by 30.5, you do this calculation, you will get a 2302.75 square meter. This is the area of a rectangular plot of a land is there. But here you want to find out their total cost of that rectangular plot of a land. But here see they are given one point that a value of a rectangular plot of a land rupees 1000 per square meter. See, for 1 square meter cost of that land will be 1000. Here you want to find out their total cost. Then what to find out this total cost? How you can find? There you write it, total value of a rectangular plot of a land. Whatever you are getting this area you multiply this 1000, because per square meter cost of that land is a 1000. You want to find out their total cost, therefore you do this multiplication, and after doing this multiplication we will get a total cost as a 23,02,750 rupees. Then like this way you have to solve the third question. Then this is about the question number 1, 2 and the 3, and in the next video I will tell you about how to solve the question number 4 and the 5th one.